guys, it's Miss Archer. So today we are at the end of Objective 7 and the last unit in Principles of Business and Finance. So you guys have two activities that you will be doing today. You'll be completing the Do Now entitled More Functions of Management, which focuses on the 703 objective that we went over. And then you'll be doing the final 7.0 quiz. So this is just a combination of all the questions from 701, 702, and 703. As always, all these assignments that are currently posted are going to be due by May 15th. And then there is contact information for Mr. Moore and myself should you have any questions during this time. Let's take a look at everything. So again, you're only going to be completing two activities for today. So the first one is the Do Now More Functions of Management, and then the second one is the 7.0 quiz. So these are just all questions from 701, 702, and 703. Again, these are not due until May 15th, so definitely take your time and answer them correctly. Remember, there is still a grading policy in place. So myself and Mr. Moore will be taking the assignments that you guys have done and factoring it into your grade, depending on where your grade was at on March the 13th. So questions and concerns regarding your grade, I would say reach out to myself and Mr. Moore via email so we can kind of instruct you which way to go for your grading. Again, this is the end of Principles of Business and Finance, so the activities after today are going to be strictly just review. So again, the two activities for today were the More Functions of Management and the 7.0 quiz. So should you guys have any questions or concerns about previous assignments, definitely reach out to myself and Mr. Moore, and we can assist you with those. Be on the lookout next week for review activities that are going to post. That is all that's going to be left between May 18th and June 5th. As always, I pray you and your families are doing well during this time. If they have been affected by this virus, I pray for a speedy recovery, and I will see you guys in the classroom.